curved equation y equals fx contains the point minus 1, 4. The first derivative is 2x, find the equation of the curve. So basically, guys, we have to integrate the first derivative to find the original function. So what happens when we integrate 2x? What do we get? X squared plus c. Because there could have been a number there that we didn't know about. Now, we know it contains the point minus 1, 4. So that means x is minus 1 and y is 4. F of x is just a fancy way of saying y. Is that okay? So, what we're going to do, 4 equals x squared, which is minus 1 squared plus c. I think this implies that c must be what? 3. C is 3. Go back up here and replace that c with 3. And that's my answer. The answer is x squared plus 3. Here's a function where the first derivative is t squared minus t, where t has to be bigger than 1, and phi is equal to 9 when t equals 3. Find phi in terms of t. No hassle. I'm going to cross multiply up the t. I'm going to get the phi equals t squared minus t to t. And then I'm going to integrate both sides. This one is 1 to v, and this is t squared minus t to t. What happens when you integrate the number 1? What you get? V. Now, there would be a constant there, wouldn't there? But I'm just going to bring both constants to one side, so I don't need to worry about the constant. And what about here? T3 over 3, and then t squared over, and plus some constant that I'm not familiar with. Next thing I'm going to do is going to replace in the numbers. V is 9 when t is what? T is 3, so it's 3 cubed over 3 minus 3 squared over 2 plus c. So that means that 9 has to equal to 9. What's that? 9 over 2, which is minus 4.5 c. I think the c value is 4.5, otherwise known as 9 over 2. Therefore, the phi formula can be changed into this. And that's my answer for part 1. Yes. Yes, you need a v. You need the phi formula with the missing integer. Calculate the value of phi when t is 10. All right, that's not too bad at all, is it? So what do I do here? Oh, actually, yeah, just sub it in, isn't it? Anywhere see t, replace it with 10. Would somebody be kind enough as to give me the answer for that? 287.833. Is that okay? Grand.